Welcome friend, here I come back and now gonna show you a new trick on a how to solve YouTube channel. Today's episode learns about how to activate close all tabs in Safari automatically. For this feature, you must have iOS 13 or later device. So far we all are close Safari browser tabs manually, some guys don't close and so that bunch of tabs stays open and sometimes browser takes a load or runs slow. But after installing iOS 13, turn on close all Safari tabs automatically on your iOS device. That's very simple. I'm going to show how to do that. Step 1. Launch the Settings app on your iOS device. Step 2. Scroll down screen, find and tap on Safari setting. Step 3. Now in Safari screen, scroll the screen till appear tabs section. Tap close tabs. So now you can see available options like manually to close all tabs whenever you want, like right now you have. After one day, if you choose this setting, then today's all open tabs of Safari will close automatically at tomorrow. After 1 week means close all open tabs auto manner after complete 1 week. After 1 month this also same close all tabs after complete 1 month. So you can choose an option that you would like to set. Hope you enjoy Safari's complete new feature and share this trick with your buddies. You guys catch up next video and don't miss to subscribe to our channel How to Solve. You can also get more on our blog howtosolve.com. Thanks for watching.